having fun? Sunday morning, got out of bed. Just getting the canoe ready and our stuff. Load up Veronica and head out. Park and trail safety.
Kiddo, you having fun? We're going sideways.
That's me doing that.
We're going sideways.
I'm as if we're docking.
Oh, we lost it.
You having fun? You having fun? Going into the far east end of Telford Lake in Leduc County here. Just a narrow channel. See how far down we can make it.
Hold on to it, don't lose it.
No, she'll lose it, Mike.
No, I got my hand around the rope.
I was gonna
Look
say.
how high that is. Wow.
First time flying a kite. I wish I would have caught that on video, but the trees are flying the kite. V let go. Mike's somewhere over in the bush. He could be climbing a tree or chopping it down, I don't know.
You get it?
Oh shit. I guess I gotta help, guys, sorry. Oh look guys, it's raining again. I don't know what we're gonna do about this summer, but this sucks because it rained all last summer too. We've had a few nice days in for it again. The storm's coming in fast, boys. And gals, I guess I'll say the gals too. Down really hard. Coming down really hard, guys. Tornado warning has been issued. Gonna keep a lookout. But holy crap. Holy crap, guys. Okay. Hope you guys liked this week's video. Smash that bell and like button if you want to see more content. Don't forget to subscribe to see our next adventure. Till next time, adventurers.